Hello students, today in this class we shall deal with the question answer of a poem, summary and question answer of a poem which named Four Little Foxes, that is written by Lew Serett. So a brief summary which is given on your book we'll discuss first, and after that summary in detail shall be discussed in this video. So it says this poem describes the pain and the difficulty of four fox cubs who have been orphaned as their mother was trapped in a coach in a trap. So, a difficulty of four little foxes is shown in the poem by the writer. The writer knows that it is going to be very difficult for the cubs to survive. So that is why he begs nature to show mercy on them. Okay, so see that here in the speaker pleads with early spring to come gently without making any noise, so that the wind could not give any harm to the newborn baby. The writer, who had found newborn four cubs wriggling on the ground in the windy valley where the writer lives. So he begs cold March wind to blow softly for the cubs and watch their mother die. Their mother is going to die, so that is why he begs cold March to blow slowly. Her feet caught in a trap and her blood splattered on the snow. He asks Spring to tread softly and not scare the babies. They were blue with cold and starving. When he covered them with branches to warm them, they had suckled his arm. He requests March to tread softly with its cold storm, because the babies were cuddling up to one another, shivering and ringing in the rain. So this is the detailed summary of the poem. Now we'll go for question answer, students. So understanding the text, question answer. Here the question 1. What did the speaker find and where? The speaker found four newborn cubs in a valley. Question number 2. The four little The question number 2. The four little foxes saw their mother go. What else did the little foxes see? Where did their mother go? So the little foxes saw their mother get caught in a trap, and then they saw her blood on the snow. Because the trap injured her, their mother was either killed or killed right there. When she saw a trap in a when she caught in a trap, or she was taken away by the person who had set the trap. Question number 3. Was the speaker responsible for what happened to the mother fox? Or could it be a fox hunter or a farmer protecting his livestock? No. The speaker was not responsible for what happened to the mother fox. We know this because throughout the poem he asks Springs and Mars to be gentle and careful with the fox cubs, and at one point he also covers them with bows to shelter them from harm. This showed the speaker to be compassionate, and yes, it could be a fox hunter or a farmer trying to protect his livestock who set the trap that killed the mother fox. Question 4. Whom did the speaker address in the poem? Which phrases does the speaker repeat? Why did this? Why does he say these words? So he addresses the spring season and the month. Please make a dash after the separated. The month of March, he repeats the phrase speak gently, walk softly, go lightly, step softly. These words, okay. He says these words because he is asking the season to be gentle and merciful to the fox cubs by holding back its cold, frosty winds and dangerous hurricanes. He also hoped so that no sudden sound would alarm the helpless, frightened cubs. The speaker asks for these things because the fox cubs are lying alone in the freezing cold without any food or shelter. They are already scared without their mother. If the weather is stormy and frosty, the cubs may die. Question number 5. The speaker tells us that the foxes are newborn and thus helpless. Which other words has he used to has he used to describe the cubs and their movements? How do those words stress and weak and vulnerable they are? So the speaker described the cubs as gentle and thin blue. This reminds us how small and weak the cubs are. He described their movements with the words skimmering, suckled, and nuzzling, whimpering with pain, and shivering in the rain. These words tell us that the cubs were too small and weak to move about freely or easily. They only made small, awkward movements, tried to get close to each other to stay warm, and suffered when it rained. They were hungry, and even when they expressed their pain, they could not do it loudly. Question 6. Which line tells you that the fox cub mistook the speaker for the mother? Why did they do so? So the line that the tin blue foxes suckled at my arm tells us that the foxes mistook the speaker for their mother. They did so because previously their mother had been their source of warmth and comfort. So when the speaker tried to shelter them and keep them warm, they mistook him for their mother. They must always have been very hungry, which is why they tried to suckle the speaker's arm. Question number 7. Speak gently, spring. We know that spring is a season that is associated with the pleasant weather and abundant sources of food. And yet the speaker appeals even to spring to be gentle with the foxes. Why does he feel the need to do this? The cruel capture of the mother fox has left the cubs in such a sorry, weakened and state that even the season of spring, which most people find gentle and pleasant, can be too hard for them to bear. The cubs are very small and thus have to depend on the mercy of others to survive. Even the spring can have cold wind, rain, and even hurricanes, which would be doubly difficult for them to the helpless cub. Therefore, the speaker appeals to spring to be gentler than usual to the cubs. Now we'll talk on appreciating the poem. Now in this poem, the speaker brings alive a certain scene inside the forest. What does she describe to achieve his effect? See that answer of this question. First is here. And for B and C, you are free to respond. For question number 2, also free to respond. For B, see the answer is this. Each stanza, the repeated words are expressed as a request in the first line and then as a play in the last line. For going further, you are free to respond the answers. So students, the question answer and summary of this poem is completed now. I hope this video will help you to complete your assignments, and also explanation will help you to write the summary in your examination. So students, will talk on next video for the next chapter. Till that time student, thank you so much and have a nice day.